Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace special characters in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to find and replace the special character. Go to the replace option. Then find the special character on the search button. Then click replace button and replace any text. Now I replace 1 2 3 4 5. Then click replace all. Then click OK. Then close the window. Now we can see here we find and replace the special character very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.